welcome to the channel. We're about to start making some air fryer mozzarella sticks. These are going to be simple instructions, easy steps, and you might already have some of the ingredients in your home. Okay, you see all the things here? Pause it if you need to read what I got. Boom, bada bang. Also, I'll get y'all a little measurement thing because I really didn't do the measurements, because you gotta do it until your ancestors say stop. You hear me? But anyway, the very first clip that I started with, I actually had string cheese in my refrigerator because I love a good string cheese, baby. And you just cut them in halves, or you can do them whole, or however you want to. I just cut it in half so it can be smaller. And then you're just going to do, you can do panko, or you can do Italian seasoning breadcrumbs, I believe it was. And you're just going to, again, do what you like. Give the flavors that you want. I kind of wanted a more so Italian flavor. So paprika, oregano, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, a pinch of salt. Don't do too much salt, baby. Okay? And, you're just going to, like I said, season it until the ancestors say, no more. Or dab more. Okay? And here you are, just seeing me, like I said, just putting this in the, I think I used Pinko. I'll look back. And again, look at that. A pinch of salt, babes. Pinch. No more. Okay? We are not the salt bag. Anyway. So, yeah. Then, again, we're going to put that good old parsley flakes in there. And I am going to also tell you the things that I feel like I did wrong and what I could have done better. And again, like I said, probably in the middle of this or at the end, I will try to show y'all what you could have done a little bit better. And hey, here's another bowl. We're going to put some flour in it. And that was way too much. So then we're going to take some of that out. Yeah. And voila, look at that. It looks great. I would suggest not putting your mozzarella sticks in the freezer first, but do it after the breading is on there. Also, you are going to need 2 eggs. So I just put all of them in separate bowls. And yeah, so basically y'all know how this is. If y'all ever made chicken or anything kind of breaded, you're going to know you're going to go between the dry, the wet, dry, and that's it. And yeah, beat them eggs up just a little bit, not too much. As you can see, I did too much. Now, I think this is, like I said, where I messed up at. I put the mozzarella sticks in the freezer, and they were solid as rock, babes. And let me just tell you, no ma'am, no Pam, the egg that was in the refrigerator, it did not like it at all. It did not do what it needed to do. Also, I was trying to be a little cute at first, but baby, the best thing to do is get your hands dirty just a little. So coat that mozzarella stick, and then you're going to put it in the egg, and then you're going to put it in the breading. Now, try your best. Like I said, for me with this cold mozzarella stick, it was not about the business. But try your best to coat it as much as you could with the egg. As much as you could, okay? I'm talking about 130%. Go crazy with it, okay? And then you're going to put the breading on it, and you're going to see why I'm going to stress. I'm stressing putting the breading on there, because baby, if it's not all the way on there, the cheese is just going to ooze out. Okay, because it doesn't have a coating on it and it's nothing there. Okay, and this is what I mean by the cold mozzarella stick and the egg did not want to play fair in the pinko part. So again, I would say after you do this part here and put it back in a bowl, then you can freeze it if you're not going to go ahead and put it in the air fryer right away. You can also keep these frozen where you can have them for another day. Now, I don't know how long they will stay. Well, I would say probably try to use them within 15 to 20 days after you freeze them. You get what I'm saying? And so this is how it looks. And like I said, you can see a little bit of the imperfections if you must. I was upset. I was too through with it. But it did come out pretty good. And like I said, the cold just didn't work for me. Now, I realize you cannot see my air fryer, and I am so sorry about that because I thought you could see it, but you do want to put your air fryer on 400. I put aluminum foil in my air fryer. You do not have to do this, but I choose to do it because it just works for me and my air fryer. Okay. Now we do have a new air fryer, so I'm gonna check this out, and I am gonna make this recipe again because it was really easy, and they were so good. So you're gonna spray a little Pam or whatever you get from Aldi's, Food Line, Walmart, wherever, and then you're gonna go ahead and place them frozen mozzarella sticks right on in there, homemade. Okay, let's go. Well, semi homemade. Don't do too much. I put this on for 400, and you can use, I think it has like usually shrimp or poultry, oh gosh, fries. It has a whole bunch of things. I think I don't feel like I used fries. I feel like I used maybe, I don't know. I don't know which one I use, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. But 400, do it about 3 minutes, okay? And then you're going to try to wait those 3 minutes, flip it over. But while you're waiting, baby, go ahead and wash that bowl out or get another bowl. Use some store-bought pasta sauce. Put it in there. We're going to heat this up as well. Or you can do it on the stove, heat it up, put seasonings in it. As you can see, I'm going to do a little onion, a little garlic. I think I'm going to put a little parsley on it as well. And you can just put whatever seasons you want in it to make it good. You can put spice stuff in there. You can do pretty much whatever you want. Slap your mama, sazon. I just ain't do too much in it because, like I said, I don't want too much salt. And then you're going to heat this up in the microwave. Like I said, this is just the easier way for me, but you can also do it on the stovetop and watch it, and you'll be good to go there as well. Now, again, trying to be cute and girl, not even necessary. So just use your hand, okay? And flip them bad boys back over. You'll pretty much know what you need to do. If you need to do a little bit more, of course, if you still feel a little cooler temp on the food, of course, put it a little bit longer. So for me, I would say a total of like 4 and 4. But you can check it on like 3 minutes each. Meaning like if you feel like it's done in 6 minutes, cool beans. If it's not, I will put it on for another minute or two each side. And it should be golden, okay? Again, I will put it on to 400. I don't know which button I pushed up here. I really can't even see it anymore. And I don't have the air fryer no more, so I don't know which button it was. So I'm so sorry about that. And as you can see, the pasta sauce came out. And then look at them. They were so good. When I tell y'all, I'm going to make these again. Baby, super easy, super quick. Something really fun if you do have like kids or nieces and nephews and y'all want to just get in the kitchen together and do something so simple, and probably have this all prepared within like 30 minutes, I would say, depending on how fast you move. And you know, the quality time aspect, okay? But like I said, as you can see, some of them are spilling out, and I was fine with that. But of course, you know, you want to try to make things look super cute for the internet, but hello, over here we're realistic, babes. And I feel like I said, these are very easy, super delicious, and watch the pull on this thing, and you're gonna think you got it from a restaurant, babes. Look, ooh, and it's crunchy. It was hot as heck and almost burnt me. But I love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Make sure y'all subscribe. Tell a friend, your mom, and them TKs. Bizzzzzack. Bye, y'all.